So I'm going to show you how to record the screen of your Galaxy Z TriFold. Now, if you swipe down from the upper right side of the screen and then swipe down again to access these quick settings tiles, you will see the screen recorder. Here it is. It comes pre-installed on the phone. So if you tap on it, it's going to give you this window. You can choose if you want to record sound, media sound, microphone sound, which is basically also your ambient sound, or if you don't want any sound, you can leave it out as well. All right. Choose whether you want to show taps and touches, and then tap on start recording. After the 3-second countdown, it's gonna start recording your screen. So everything I'm doing and the media sound is being captured. Now you can tap on the pen icon and draw and circle and annotate the screen recording. You can choose to start the front facing camera in case you want your image to appear. You can remove that as well. You can pause, continue recording, and then you can stop that video recording. Now, once you stop, all video recordings are saved in a gallery. Okay, so you can have a look at that. Let's play this. There you go. So that is basically how to record the screen of your Galaxy Z TriFold. Now, you can also record the front screen or the smaller screen. Same process, swipe down again, find the screen recorder icon. There you go. Tap on start recording, a 3-second timer, and it starts recording your screen with all the options you had in the bigger display. Thanks for watching again, and good luck.